Welcome to the walkthrough of the 2025 GS22. The Nautique GS22 is your excellent all-around boat, wakeboarding, skiing, tubing, surfing. Gives you a little bit of everything. Let's go to the interior and take a look at some of my favorite options. All right, this is the interior of the GS22 from Nautique. So many things that I love about it. We're just gonna walk through a bunch of them. First of all, walk through, have the sea deck all the way through. Don't have to step on any of your cushions. You've got an excellent tower up here with the JL audio speakers. You got the backup camera, you got your bimini. Tower goes down backwards. You've got the excellent seating throughout the boat. Seat there with a backrest that pops up and down. Pull out backrest there, backrest there. You've got the LED lights throughout the boat and the cup holders. They'll all change colors. Super comfortable helm chair here. And then the great helm that we have here with the Nautique system. Easy to use. Just a great all-around boat. Nice big bow, filler cushion. Just love this GS22. Come out to Rogers and take a look.